Alright, we're going to take this e-scooter going to work, but I don't have a signal. We're going to pay using the card. Hi, welcome to Leggers Vlog YouTube. Now it's working. Okay, let's go. Bicycle lane. Welcome everyone to Leggers Vlog. Enjoy the beautiful view here in Schleswig-Holstein. Bike lane going to Hilbert Central Station, the train station there. Not that cold anymore, and I hope that it will be like always just like that. And that is the crossing. You have to turn right. €1 a month, and for every ride not over than 20 minutes, I'll just pay €1.50. But it's more than 20 minutes, the extra minute will be charged 16 cents per minute. So it's very useful for me. This one is the cheapest option rather than taking a taxi. Taxi is so expensive. Bike lane here is better compared to the bike lane in Countryside, especially in the right area. a better bicycle lane, of course, compared to the Philippines. Philippines, there's no, I don't know. Some of the cities, I think, in Metro Manila. Here we are. Parking area. It's like a forest where you can just relax and take a walk. You can just pass through, but you cannot park the e-scooter rental here. Other side of Pinneberg. Of course, it's only for the bicycle and pedestrians, and scooters as well. And going up. Now we're here. Just go to the bus stop. Okay, goodbye. Thanks for watching Legu's vlog YouTube. Bye bye.